Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the camera blurry on your iPhone. So here's my iPhone, and let's say I want to take a video here. I'm holding this stuff and I want to make a video. Okay, now sometime it gets blurry. So what you do is you can adjust with the zoom. Like here it's blurry, but if you press this one, the blur is gone. If I press this one, it's very blurry. Okay, now it's blurry is gone. So you have to adjust with this one. That's one of the thing. And another thing is make sure the glass lens is clean. This is the first step you have to do. Like make sure the glass lens is clean, because if something on the glass, that will make it blurry. So that's first step. Then adjust with the these speeds and so on, and then the distance and so on. And then there's another thing that if you play around with this one here, so currently it's blurry, but if I press 60, it's become clear. Okay, then if I go back, now it's become clear. So you can play around with the frame rate as well. Okay, so the distance, frame rate, and the lens, those are the three things you have to look at when you're fixing your iPhone blurriness. And that's it for this video. See you guys in my next video.